Hello everybody, and welcome back to another unboxing with Phoenix's new, upside down, Vibrant Life Jungle Party Cat Tunnel. So we're gonna check this thing out and see what this is all about. We just got it, just opened it for the first time, and we're gonna build it. Wow, okay, it's got some lots of tubes and stuff. I thought this was just like open it and it pops out. Interesting, no directions. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So, we are gonna see how we build this. But there's no instructions, so I don't know. Oh, here they are. All right, buddy, are you ready for this thing? I'm gonna be building him an outdoor cat, like tunnel type thing. Like a pathway, so he can go outside and then he can go up around the patio and stuff. It'll be fun for him to be able to do that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first we open this up. This is the first thing. This is the back part, and then we have all of these. So let's see. Step one. Okay. So step one. Push back into joints tighten. We're gonna get all the joints out and we're gonna grab. Okay. So D is this. We're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 for the first section. And B is. Let's see, do we need any E's now? B is the straight tube. So we need 4 B's. So we got 4 of those. Okay. 4 of those, and then we need D, B, and then we need A. We need 1A. Okay, so what we're gonna do, there should be, there's little. So this is a curved, so we're gonna put, so there's these little things here. We're gonna just put this tube in here. Let's see if this is right. Seems like it's short, so let's try. Oh, I think maybe. Watch out, buddy. I'm trying to build this thing. That's not that's part of the toy, not the toy. Silly. Okay, so I know for sure this one's gonna go here across the top. Straight one here. Okay. Got that. Then we need the ones that go down in the back. Oh, I think these are the ones that go down the back, that's why they're straight. Okay. Now it's making sense. So there's these ones here, and then there's also these ones that go down in the back. We're gonna put that in there. On this side, we have another one right here. So we're gonna put that like this. Now I'm understanding why I didn't see the curved one before. Okay. Then we're gonna put this up, and we're gonna grab this guy. So I'm putting right now this little like T-connector thing. So I'm gonna put this on top, like this. It says you gotta push it in hard, so. Okay, got that in there. I'm gonna put like this, and then same thing on this side. Grab this one, push it in there. There, okay. Then we have the bottom. So here we should have it. There's another one here. That's it there. Going to get another one of these little guys. Connect it. You kind of like feel a click when you put it in. So you want to make sure you push it in until you feel that click. And then there we go. And there we go. Okay, now we have the bottom. So this is it upside down, so we're gonna put it this way. And then we have some more for along the bottom here. So we're gonna put one here. You don't really need the directions. Maybe just to like get the initial concept, but if you don't have it, you can kind of just look at it for a minute and figure it out, I think. Maybe not everybody, but should be pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now we have the main part. We just need to secure these two here. So again, oh, we already have the clamp there. So we're just gonna use the bottom one that was already there from before. I'm just gonna clamp it in there. See you, buddy. And then he's so excited he can't even wait for it to be ready. And then same thing, there's already one from before. So we're just gonna use that same one and we're gonna push it in there. All right. I was wondering why it didn't go all the way to the edge, but it makes sense because it kind of comes in a little bit. So now we're gonna grab the kind of rounded ones, like half moon shapey kind of things. I believe they're gonna curve downward. So we're just gonna put it in that way. And then it doesn't seem like it's long enough though. That's what I'm not really understanding here because, let's see. Yeah, this is not. I'm a little bit confused. I thought that I had it going here, but I guess I don't. Oh, I see. Okay, so we're gonna use, now it makes sense. We're gonna use these. We're gonna use these to make this double the size. I was like, this is like half the size, the length that I need it to be. This is not gonna work out. That's why, because I need to do that. Okay, so we're gonna just build these first so that we have them ready to go, since this little man wants to be all up in it. Okay, so now we're just gonna put these, make sure they're kind of making this shape here. And then, no, I gotta build it for you. It's almost done. It's not ready to be plating yet. Ugh. Okay, then, now we should be able to take this, guide it through. It's gonna be another little bigger section here. This is a little bit bigger, so you kind of gotta feed it in again. And then, he's gonna love this thing. Even though, hold on, buddy, hold on. Okay, maybe you could put your cat in the other room while you do this so that you can actually do it, but you know, whatever works. Okay, then put that one there, and then this one should go right in. So we have to do a little bit of, so this one you're gonna have to do a little bit of manhandling just to get the curve to go down so you can secure it properly. Okay, there we go. Now we got two more to go. So we got the last upper support. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Hey, no, hold on. He's trying to break it apart already. You're not even inside of it yet. Oh my goodness. He's going crazy. Stop. He's trying to get inside it. Oh, you're so funny. No, you have to wait until it's done, you gooseball. Hey. Yeah, this is the part you kind of have to bend it a little bit more. There we go. And then the final piece is this one. There's no screen here, so this is open. And then we just connect the top. This here. So we're just gonna bend this out. Connect. Is that going in? 1 second, buddy, 1 second. Hey, no, that's dangerous. Stop. Okay, and then the last one. This is our last connection. Yeah, and maybe I'd recommend to put your cat in the other room because it's going to be a little hectic here. Okay, now we got it done. So now this is the completed design. As you can see, similar to the box. And let's see what he does. Let's see how he likes it. Oh, you gotta go in this way. Are you gonna go? What are you gonna do? And that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Be nice.